out there. We trying to get some rest. Not this time because when them both know I don't. Welcome.